Good morning, Gio. How you doing? How was your weekend? Alrighty. Went pretty good, yeah. Went pretty good. It was a little bit bad weather here, so I didn't do like too much, but it was nice. Big drop on Friday. We're gonna be watching this level on the open if we can, 173. Okay. See if we can get a bounce out of that overlap for value gap there. Then above us, 240 to 250, so right in here, and then 272. If we get up here, we'll kind of reassess, but these three levels here, again, 272, 240, 174, those are going to be the areas to initially watch for me. Market is really dropped though, let me tell you, has really dropped. Tesla's down at 240, Nvidia. I didn't even realize, look at this big gap down last night. Yeah, Nvidia's low. 105. It was at 150 just in early January, so it's down 31%. Wow. Let's see, Tesla from mid-December is down 50%. Wow. Okay. Meta's roughly the same. Apple's down a little bit. AVGO from mid-December down 36%. Market's just, yeah. You know what's not down 35%? Botfolio. There you go. There's your investment pitch. Let me check on NASDAQ even. I think NASDAQ's even down quite a bit here from just this year. Let me look from right here. We're down, call it 12%. 12% this year. And then ES, we are down 8.2%. Botfolio, I think, is net. If you started in January, it's down, I think, like 4 or 5%. So heavily outperforming the market, to be honest. Because you had a big week last week. Last week was around 8% gain, 7% gain last week with Botfolio. So I think, yeah, we're down like 4 or 5% on the year, based off of a 50K account, of course, which is actually pretty solid, considering the market itself is down 12%, 11%. Alrighty, anyone else in here? Just Geo, it looks like. It is NFP week. You know what that means. We gotta be careful this week. No news today. Tomorrow we have news at 10 a.m. We'll have to watch out for that. Wednesday, start of some non-farm employment stuff. Thursday, PMI at 10. Friday is non-farm employment, NFP. Good morning, Caesar. Friday is NFP with unemployment rate and Powell speaking. So that'll be definitely a no trade day for me unless I feel like YOLOing some evals. So I might buy some Apex counts today because they're still 80% off, and save them for this here. So we'll see though. Market opens here in 4 minutes. Actually 3 minutes. NQ Autotrader last night was, I think it was down about 250 total. We had a loss, then a win, so that puts us down 250. Then another loss, which would put us down 1,000. Then this win puts us only down 500, and then down 250. So we should be down 250 going into the morning here. NQ Trader, and that's with not full default settings, but 102 brick size there. So yeah. NQ Trader, you definitely got to be careful with the news. So we just tapped 73, which is the level I was going to watch on open, but since we hit it before the open, I'm not really interested anymore. All right, we got 1 minute till the market opens. Let's hope for a good day, good week. Awesome, Caesar. Yeah, SBS is built around the 1 minute chart. A lot of people just decided to ditch it because they like the dopamine hits of getting into more trades. 1 minute doesn't take necessarily tons of trades, but I do think it's most consistent over the long run. And you don't have to worry about it as much just because there's less trades. So there is my reasoning for that. Shouldn't do that. I have the same thing on mine. Clear your cache and reset your database. To reset your database, you just change in your documents folder, then NinjaTrader 8 folder, you just rename the DB folder to DB old after you close NinjaTrader, and then you reopen it. It's just a NinjaTrader thing. It's not an SBS thing. With some of those little kinks and bugs. So we did bounce out of that 73 fair value gap a little bit. Popped up to 90. I want to see us move up a little just because I don't really have any gaps below us. So that would put some of the trades out of commission there. Good morning, TJ. How you doing? And we are dropping this morning. We are dropping. We are now break even on the NQ trader. Just had a win there on the open. So break even total from overnight to current. See, we just got put into another short on NQ trader actually. Remember, NQ trader plays volume and momentum. So a win there. We're now green on the day. There are 2 wins to start the open on NQ Autotrader. So NQ Trader does do volume and momentum. Also, look at this short I took. Don't really, I kind of just took off of this little, the first green candles, 15-second there. I'm not sure which low I would target though. We're pretty low. Probably this low. Right there. Five contracts, 8 grand. It's a paper trade. Look at that though. Wow. Okay. Okay. That was a solid like 4 risk reward there. And we're still dropping heavy. Oops, hold on. 1 second. Okay. We hit all the way down to 19,014. Wow. Wowzers. Wow. Now we're pumping. No SBS trades currently because we have only dumped so far this morning. There's nothing else. Nothing else. We don't have like tons of areas to watch for potential liquidity below us because we have swept some. We're in some fair value gaps right now. I would say really 18,615 is kind of the next next area, honestly. On the hourly chart, that's all I'm seeing. So it would require quite a bit more downside there. So I guess let's see lower, huh? Last day of March. Last day of March. For anyone who hasn't seen, again, it is NFP week this week, so need to be careful later on in the week. Really all week you need to be careful, obviously, but yeah, especially like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you need to be on your toes with your trading. So keep that in mind. All right. Currently chopping. I think we're building liquidity here. Good morning, Aramir. I will get that stuff sent to you sometime today, Aramir. All right. Yeah, NQ Trader though up 250 on the day. If you started from midnight, if you just ran this morning, it's up 500 from market open. So it's trading one contract, of course, and it does risk more than obviously it risks more than it would make. So. Does anyone have any other liquidity points that they are seeing? Besides like 18,615, because I'm not. I guess this one here, 18,800. 18,800, I guess, yeah. For liquidity below us. Which is 240 points from where we are. Oh, we just caught another NQ Trader win. Hold on. Oops. We are up pretty nice on the another short there, NQ Trader. So up 750 since the market open, up 500 since midnight. We don't have any news this morning. We do have a low impact Chicago PMI in 2 minutes, but it is yellow folder low impact. So I wouldn't be expecting anything from that. Just chopping. I wonder if we're waiting for something. Subtly waiting for something here. The lows are 19,013. Which we just swept, 19,013. We'll have to see how we react from that. If we keep dumping like this, I could see the 800s, because that's the next liquidity point. We did respect the 1 minute fair value gap there. And the next real liquidity here is 800 that I have, so AAP, it's going. We are up 1,000 now on NQTrader, up 750 since 9 a.m. or since midnight, sorry. Here's the other NQTrader win. Boom. When it broke that low, I think it took the short. Back up. We are volatile right now. Holy smokes. Up 45 points in the last like 20 seconds. Yeah, literally 45 points. No trades on SBS this morning, but NQTrader is doing well, so that's good. .32 range, MNQ short. Up 30 points here. And TP1 almost hit, and then... Okay, TP1 hit. Does anyone have an idea of where they think we're gonna finish? The market's gonna end up today? Do we think it's gonna be higher? Let's do higher or lower than 19,000. Anyone? We can do a poll actually. Higher or lower? We're right at 19,000 and we have swept a decent amount of liquidity and we're in some higher time frame fair value gaps right now. So you never know. If we want to see lower, if anyone wants to see lower, we'd want to see in the next 10 minutes us close below 19,988. because there is a 1 hour for value gap that we're in. So we'd want to see a closure below this 1 hour. More people think higher than 19,000. Okay. So yeah, we want to see a lower than that if you do want to see a slower today for any discount buyers. We hit all the way down to 18,976 here. Just disrespected this 1 minute gap here. Technically, just closed above that, so got to be a little careful. Looks like NQ Trader actually caught a long. Look at that. So since the open here, NQ Trader is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 0. Up 1,000 on the day from midnight currently. And we are just this is just a little bit crazy right now. I have a bad feeling that by the end of the week, though, the price is going to be quite low. It's going to be quite low by the end of the week. We're marching higher right now. Creating, respecting 1 minute FVGs. We're in a 1 minute bearish FVG right now. Looks like we might want to climb and take out this liquidity here, where this is sitting, this turquoise line. I think we're in another long here on NQ Trader. Again, risk is 3 times the TPs on this, but it does have a high win rate, so. When people use NQTrader, I always recommend setting targets for yourself so you don't just leave it running all the time, because once you hit a loss or potentially a couple losses, that's when things can go south. Another win though there, another win. So plus 1250 since midnight. I'm actually gonna turn mine off right now because I'm plus 1500. $1,500. Let's get weird. Yeah, NQTrader did great, so here's the NQTrader profit screen here, or the screenshot. That's in profits and testimonials there. Let's check. Let me check Botfolio really quickly. Just because SBS isn't doing anything right now. So let me check Botfolio. No trades currently. It's in no positions. Okay. What an interesting market. I think we're gonna end up leaving pretty soon, honestly. Yeah. You know, we'll give it a few more minutes here, but I think we're gonna end up calling it by 10:10. 7 minutes. I give it 7 minutes to do something. Otherwise we are out because NQ Trader already made us some dollar bills. Already made us some dollar bills. Alrighty, let's see. missed that trade there. It looks like no trades still. Okay. Go to the moon? Yeah, seriously. I think we're gonna call it early. It's NQ Trader was good. 32 range. I'm just gonna shut off. We did get one nice trade there on 32 range, so I'll post that. Otherwise, we are gonna be done. Looks like Mr. Wilson had a good day. That's great. Yeah, we're done for the day. So everybody, thanks for joining. We'll be back tomorrow for another live stream. Have a great rest of your day.